it's a brother Ebuka Songs here, and this is to specially invite you for the Futo Campus Invasion with Reverend Chris Paul. This is Live Gate Outreach, and I want you to know that I am fully excited about this meeting. Futo, it's your time. We've been to Benin, we've been to Insu, and now we're coming to Futo. I am super excited. I'm not just coming alone, I'm coming with Reverend Chris Okolo, Mama Jire Udoma, and I'm so excited because God is going to do super amazing things in this meeting. And I want to thank Reverend Chris Paul for this opportunity to be a blessing to the people of Futo. So Futo, it's your time. We'll be gathered at the All Saints Chapel. Please don't miss this meeting for anything. On the 29th of May, we'll be live in Futo. Please come early so you can be in the front. A miracle is waiting for you. God bless you.